And the last is number 5, which is document versioning or single version of the file. First of all, by default, SharePoint allows you to keep different versions of a document. So as long as you keep making changes or other people are accessing the document, it will keep different versions for the same document. But at the end, people can refer to the final version all the time, and be ensured that this is the latest version of the document. Instead of surfing through their emails and searching various email chain to find the latest document, they can go to a location based on the permissions and find that document which is the final version of the document. That does save companies time, so that is a big help as well. Thank you for watching.